Okay. Okay, I'm good. Thank you for that. Oh, you're still bleeding. Okay, let me just bandage that up real quick. Here we go. Clean the area quick, and here we go. Put some bandages on there. Okay. Now, usually I would just release you after a blood test, but since I fed on you, you lost, a little bit more than anticipated, so I'm going to request that you stay here for a little while. Is that alright? It is? Okay. So, do you just want to sit in front of the fire out in the lobby with me? Yeah. No, it's not a real fireplace. Of course it's fake. It would be weird to have a real fireplace inside of a clinic. Yeah. It'd be cool, though. But, yeah. We could just sit over there for a little bit while you recover. You want to do that? Okay. Come on. Do you need some help walking? You got it? Okay. Here we go. Oh. You put your head on my shoulder. Do you want to sit on my lap? Okay. Yeah, we can cuddle a little bit. Come here. Come here. That's it. That's it. There we go. Hey, I'm really proud of you. Thanks for, well, being a good patient. Yeah, you did good. There you go. Just rest here for a little bit, okay? There you go. You want me to pet your hair? Okay, I guess this is turning into a bit of a date. Okay, I can pet your hair. Does that feel nice? Good. Oh, he fell asleep on me. I'll wake him up in a little bit. I'll just let him rest on me. Good night, sweetie.